it's Yvonne here, and I'm coming to film you a quick little video. If you're into going to the Goodwill outlet bins, going into the thrift stores, the yard sales, the garage sales, and just digging around to see what it is you find out there, this is going to be your channel. I do a lot of that here on my channel. I also go and look for freebies and samples and things like that. So if that's something that interests you as well, make sure you hit that like button so I know you like my content, and make sure and subscribe so you don't miss any of my videos. I do a lot of like freebie style videos where I get a lot of free stuff in the mail, samples, I enter contests, anything like that I do on my channel. But my favorite thing to do is obviously go to the Goodwill outlet bins and look for stuff that I can either resell or keep for myself. I look for a lot of things that are mostly luxury and designer handbags and accessories. So that's usually what I look for. If I'm selling anything at all, it is on my Poshmark closet under @Orejita or EJTA Dear. All like it's sold right there. Also look for me under Instagram. I am under luxury handbag cheapskate, like it's spelled right there. So make sure and check me out. And I'm all decked out in my little ears. These are my little Mickey Louis Vuitton style, okay, ears from Catalina's Antiques. If you have not gone to Catalina's Antiques in your local, you need to go. They have the cutest things there. It is located on Blanca Road, right by the Chris Madrid's and the Blanca Cafe. If you're local, then you know about it. But yeah, and we're in Fiesta mode right now, so that's why I am wearing this, and I have my little Fiesta shirt on. This is my Whataburger Fiesta shirt. Just so happens that it came from the Goodwill, and this is my little Goodwill medal. I've never shown this, but this is my little cart here. Let me just kind of roll my cart this way. But this is my little cart here that I have here with my little Goodwill medal. This is my Goodwill medal that I won from the Goodwill. So that's very exciting. The Goodwill was there as well at the Fiesta festivities, and they were selling really cute Fiesta medals. So yeah, it was really awesome. But I'm coming today at you with a thrift store haul and an unboxing. My friend MarieJustMarie here on YouTube. Marie, thank you, Marie. First off, for sending me a little care package. Here it is. I have it right here. So yeah, this is it right here. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to unbox this in a little bit. But first I'm going to show you some of the stuff that I got at the Goodwill and at another thrift store that I went to. First off, starting off with the Goodwill, I got this really cute little Tweety Bird. This is a vintage Tweety Bird from Six Flags. They no longer make these, I don't believe. I did look them up, and they are from, obviously, I think from the, maybe like, I think it was the 90s, but this was $2.49 half off. So I couldn't leave her. It's a little keychain Tweety Bird. I'm going to hang her here in my closet. That's where she's going to go. To be very honest, I'm more a fan of Sylvester than Tweety, but I just thought she was too cute. I couldn't leave her. So I ended up picking her up for that price, and then I ended up getting this as well because, hello, if you know me, you know that I'm a huge Friends fan, and this was $4.99, again, half off. It is a Friends puzzle. It has pictures, which is what I really liked about it. So it's going to go great once I do it to go in my coffee bar. So there's the photos. So cool. If you know Friends, and you know, this is going to be so cool. I can't wait to do this. So this is going to go in my coffee bar. So I'm just going to place that down here. And then I got something else, and that was this really cool hat that I found at Goodwill. This one here was awesome. They had this at the downtown Goodwill. If you don't know, the downtown Goodwill right now is all focused on Fiesta. So they're like the Fiesta hub to go and shop for dresses and hats and cool things. And they had this really cute little hat there. Look at that. It's a San Antonio. It's got the tower, the Alamo, and the Texas there. So cool. I love it. I love it. It does have who made the maker there. So whoever painted this really cute little hat. I love it. It's going to be so cute to wear like for Fiesta, for the parade. I cannot wait to wear this little hat. So I'm very excited for that little hat. And then I went to another thrift store with some friends that took me out for birthday festivities, and I got some other stuff there. We went to one of those like bin stores, those like Amazon type bin stores, but everything there was 50 cents that day. So I picked up these stickers from Target. They are from the Latino Heritage Month, and they say Latina Fuerte, proud de mi cultura. Kind of Spanglish there. They're designed by Jackie Rivera, and for 50 cents, yes, I will pick up stickers for that price, because you know they're very expensive. I mean, they were originally, I don't know, originally I guess they were $2.99 at Target, but I didn't pay that, so I don't know. Oh, originally they were $3, not even $2.99. They were originally $3 at Target. So I got that, and then I got this little case here, but I cannot use it. It is for the AirPod, the other AirPods, the bigger ones, and I don't have those, so I won't be able to use that. But that's okay though. Maybe I'm putting it out the energy that I will get some AirPod Pros in my future, right? So okay, so then I have this little Duracell battery. This is a 2032 one. I got these also for 50 cents. These little batteries can be very expensive. I know they have these at Dollar Tree. I have gotten them before for my little iPod, my little Apple TV and remote, and I bought them there. But the Duracell ones are really good, and you can also use them in those little candles that you use that are like battery operated. So I probably will. I'm gonna use it for that. And then I got this purse strap there again for the price. Not bad. This is just one of those Amazon ones, but it's a really nice purse strap. It's like black and red. Not really my colors, but again, you know, for the price of that price, I was like, yes, I will take it for that price. And then my mom found me these, so she said, do you want them? And I said yes. Oh, this is something here. Let me show you. I got this at the Goodwill store, or oh no, at that other thrift store that I bought this other item at. And this was just this little scarf, but they had it all raveled up, so I am unraveling it. But it's like a little scarf, and look, it's got little purses and bags. How fun is that? Oh, it's so cute. So cute. I love it. So I do plan to use it for something, so like a little, just a tie or something. So that's going to be really cute. I think actually, you know what? I think it's a sock, but the other sock was missing. Now that I'm looking at it, it was a sock. I can see it now. Look at that. Well, I'm going to use it as a tie for my purses, not as a sock, because there's only one anyway. And this something else my mom got me. This was a little scrunchie, the original scrunchies. And these were some fun colors. I like them. I can use them for Fiesta right now that we're in Fiesta. How fun is that? So I got those two at the Goodwill. They were $129. These were not half off. And then I got one of these bags. I've been wanting one of these bags. I want to say the brand that makes them is Bog, B-O-G-G, but I do not remember. I saw them on TikTok. I follow them as well. And they're always talking about how they're the original one and everybody copies them. And that happens, I think, with every bag brand. So, yeah, but this is a really good quality bag. So when I saw it, I had to pick it up. And here it is. It looks really cute. It's really well made, really sturdy. It's a nice light pink color. I don't know if you can see, but it is a really nice light pink color. It's kind of washing out here in the camera, but trust me, this color is nice. It's like a little kind of like a sort of a little bit bubblegummy pink, and I wanted it because I was thinking I could put my croc charms on it, and you can. I put this little croc charm on it. This is from I think Stranger Things, but I just put that on there just to test it out to see if it would work. And it does, but I don't know how well, but it does kind of work. So we'll see. But that's what I plan to do with it, and I still plan to carry it. This is a great little summer bag, a pool bag. It is really good quality. I mean, this is really thick. So I love it. So I was excited to find that bag. Dumping that bag over there. It doesn't have a brand, so it's not the Bog bag. Those, if you find those bags, look them up because that brand is super expensive. So if you don't like it, you can always resell it. I tell you, somebody's out there is looking for that bag. Now, let's get to the unboxing. Okay, so let's see what Marie sent me. So, my friend Marie, I've known her for a long time already on YouTube. I met her actually just by watching her videos. I started watching her videos a very, very long time ago. She was the only one, and I repeat, to my knowledge, the only one that was doing accessories and handbags that were thrifted. No one else was really doing that. Everybody else was focused on clothes, and I would see shoes, but mostly I would see clothes. And I was like, oh, really? Clothing? I was like, that wasn't really my thing. I wasn't really into that because I've always thrifted handbags. I've always looked for handbags. So that was always been my thing. I've always had a secondhand handbag. You know, it's a luxury handbag. I've resold them before on eBay. So, you know, that's just always been my thing to do. So when I saw her doing that same thing, looking for exactly designer luxury handbags at times that you would find, I just thought, oh my, I said, this is my channel. So I started watching her and I started commenting, and then we became friends, and now we're friends here on YouTube and we talk and stuff. So let's get to the unboxing. But if you don't follow her already, I'm going to link her channel down below. It is MarieJustMarie. So look her up and definitely subscribe if you're into watching thrifting videos, Dollar Tree hauls. She's doing Dollar Tree hauls now, which is really great because I really don't go to Dollar Tree as often, even though there's three in my area. I really don't, but I do like watching hauls from the Dollar Tree. And she also does videos on her bird, her little birdie Mackie, and her little cat Remy. So make sure and check her out. Okay, on to the unboxing before I babble on so much, but here it is. Let's see. Okay, so here it is. Let's see. Let me get my cutter here to open it up. Ooh, okay. So here it is. Let's see. Let's see. Okay, so here's the box. Let's take a little sneak peek inside of here. Okay, so the first thing is this, and it's the Snoopy's Happiness is Peanuts, Snoopy's Adventures in Oni collection. This is great. It's Snoopy, a DVD of little, I'm sure it's cartoons of Snoopy. So love that. Thank you for that. I love Snoopy, as you know. And then this looks like a little face mask, and it is. And I'm sure I know who this is for, so I won't show it. But yes, thank you for the face mask. She's going to love that face mask. And then I'm seeing something in here. I'm seeing some candy. Yay! I do eat candy, yes. And I eat it sparingly, but I do like it. So here it is. Oh, these little pica sliced little watermelon paletitas are so good. I love the chili on them. They just have a little bit of chili. They're not too spicy, so if you're not into that, they're really not spicy. They're really good, though. And she gave me a lot of these. Oh, okay. She gave me some of these, too. These are the revolcaditas watermelon flavor sabor sandia. I'm sure they have chili on the outside, too, because I think I have had these before. I'm not sure, though. And then she gave me the tomatoes, which I believe are tamarind flavor little candies. Look at that. So that's cool. My dad used to make agua de tamarindo for us. So these are the elote ones. These are just the elote ones with the chili. Little lollipoppies. And of course, oh, wow. Okay. Love it. And these are the, let me look. These are actually chile rocas. And these are pineapple flavored sabor piña. But I'm pretty sure they have chile as well, because I think I have seen these, but I've not tried them. So that's exciting. It's a little bag of candy. Thank you, thank you, thank you. And then she did send me a card, which I didn't read because it was at the bottom, of course. But I will read now. So here's the little card. And it has my name. And she did draw that. She does know how to draw. So if you're into art and stuff like that, she will draw stuff on her channel as well. And it's a letter, so I won't read it here on camera, but thank you, Marie. I'll read that off camera. And She does do, like I said, a lot of drawing, and she's going to start also painting handbags. That's something you're into. I would definitely reach out to her because she is really good at what she does. And oh my gosh, this is so cute. I cannot wait to use this. This is a little friend's coffee mug, and it's pictures of them. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. I just got a friend's little like bowl, those little like soup bowls, but it doesn't have a picture of them. It just has like the face silhouettes with the umbrellas, and I kind of don't like when they do that, but I get it's a copyright thing of it. But I'm like, I wish they would put a picture, and this has a picture, so this is really exciting. And if you want to know who my favorite was, Joey. Oh, Joey was so cute. Yeah, all of them, but Joey was definitely my favorite. Look at that. Look at that picture of them. Oh my gosh. I love them all. I love them all. Oh, it's so cute. I love this. And I like that it does close so that you don't spill your coffee on yourself, because I've had that happen, and let me tell you, it's not fun. It's not fun at all. But this is really nice. Thank you, Marie. I love this. All right. That's the unboxing. Thank you for watching my video. I hope you enjoyed it. And don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. And yeah, happy Fiesta to everybody out there. And I'll see you in the next video.